Hey YouTube, so thanks for tuning in to my channel once again, and this is going to be my 33-week update. Now first of all, what I want y'all to do is ignore the fact that I look crazy once again. I try to pull it somewhat together just so I wouldn't be looking all toe up. But yeah, I'm frizzy in the roots, but we gonna work with this. I had a long day. I've been doing her all day. I had a 10-hour day, and for a big pregnant girl, that's a lot. So we gonna work with what we got going on here. I popped a little lippy on and a little powder. So let's get into it. Okay, so first and foremost, I don't think I was very descriptive in all the things that is going on in my pregnancy during my last video. After I upload that video, I'm like, I left out a few things. So, just a second. Okay, so I never talked about the cravings that I have during this pregnancy, and it's only one. It's only one craving, and that's for all 3 of my pregnancies. I've had the same craving. The craving was passed down from my mama. For whatever reason, I have the same exact craving, and my little family don't like my craving, but they deal with it because it's like a must that I have. It ain't. And I go through boxes and bags, just bags of this. Now, before y'all start commenting stuff, just know I don't swallow the baking soda. I chew it and spit it out. I think it's a texture that I'm looking for. Nothing else that I know of has a texture. Like, it doesn't get gooey or gummy or nothing like that. Sorry if it's kind of grossing y'all out, but it pretty much keeps its texture. It gets wet, but it keeps its texture, and I spit it out. I mean, it kind of dissolves. I spit it out. But I wish I would have counted how many boxes and bags I've gone through. This is a pretty big box, and I go through these fast. I'm already down at the bottom of this one. But after I have my baby, as soon as I have my babies, the cravings go away. And as a matter of fact, I didn't have this craving probably until my 2nd trimester. Probably not even the beginning of my 2nd trimester. Yeah. Probably around 26, 27 weeks after my craving for baking soda came. I thought I was safe to go around, but I'm not. I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video. You know, I'm love seafood, but I haven't loved it this go around. But I'm starting to eat it again. I'm starting to eat seafood again, like a little shrimp. I'm eating salmon. So I'm starting to pick that up again. But at first, I didn't even want to see nobody eating it. I didn't want to see it at all. So yeah, that's been happening. And for the past few days, I've been drinking water heavily. Well, like heavy for me. Let me not say I haven't been drinking a gallon, but I've been drinking a lot of water for me because I'm a soda, juice, more soda type of girl. But I've been craving water so much. And already I'm seeing an improvement in my skin. Okay, that's better. I didn't like how that was looking. Yeah, already I've been seeing an improvement in my skin. First, Johnny noticed it. And now I'm noticing it. So hopefully it steady improves. And when I meet baby girl, I won't be looking like a pizza. Right? Okay, so I have still been tired, but my mind will not let me rest like I need to. I told you all that last week. And what else? Oh, today was a good day. We prayed as a family last night for a lot of things, and healing was one of them. So I was able to work all day without a lot of, without any pain. Like my last client, like my back started to hurt a little bit, but I sat down and I got through it. I didn't have any leg pain that I've been having, any groin pain, anything. But when I got out the shower and I laid down, I dried off and I laid down, just to rest a little bit and dry off. When I got back up, I was in so much pain. My lower back was in so much pain that I could not put my clothes on. I had to yell for Johnny, my husband. I had to yell for him to come help me because I could not bend over. I couldn't lift my legs because, your legs is, connected to, all that is connected. So if I'm having back pain, walking, standing, any of that is just really hurting my lower back. I was crying. He rubbed my back, but I was crying because it hurt that bad. Now I'm feeling pretty okay again. So my body just, I still thank God that I was able to be pain-free all day. So I'm going to keep thanking God anyway. My nose, that's another thing. My nose runs all day, every day. For as long as I can remember, I'll wake up with, having to blow my nose. But with this pregnancy, I have to blow my nose all day. All day my nose is like kind of running. Ugh, I don't have any clinics. Yeah, all day my nose is running. What else? I don't want this video to be too long, so. Oh, and this is the end of my 33rd week. Actually, I have been, so tired and not feeling like putting up a video this week. But I know I had to do a video before my 34th week because I turned 34 weeks on Monday, so I gotta turn right back around and make another video. So I see my doctor on Monday, and they're gonna let me know if, she's still measuring too big. They're gonna let me know if she's still measuring like 3 weeks ahead of schedule. I was told that maybe they will take her or give my cesarean at 38 weeks instead of 39 weeks. I don't think I'm gonna make it to 39 weeks. No way. I told y'all I've never made it past 38 weeks, but it's only 3 kids. But I'm really wanting her to make her entrance at least the first week of March because I'm over it. I want her to be healthy and I'm over it. What else have I left out? Oh, we'll be doing baby girl's nursery pretty soon, but my boys, their room needs some more things, so we're not leaving them out. They have everything. They have a lot of things not put up, but I want to add a few things just so they'll feel just as special. When you have boys, all boys. My husband has 4 boys. 2 of them are mine. When you've been having boys back, all these boys back to back, you get excited about a girl. If you have girls, a bunch of girls, you get excited about a boy. So we kind of excited. My body is ready for her to come, but my mental probably isn't because I'm finna be chasing around a toddler, a 1-year-old, and tending to a newborn. So, but I'm still happy that she's a girl. 3rd time's a charm for me. And so we gotta get her nursery ready. And other things, which I'm gonna bring y'all in my house to see a couple transformations because I have some things that I'm doing Why does your phone startle you when you ain't expecting a call? Hello, stuff down. I hope this video wasn't boring. Oh, I did say something about the water making my skin better. I probably told y'all about that last video. My skin is just ugly right now. This is the worst it's ever been. But right now it's not so bad. But yeah, it's down to the wire. Got about 5 more weeks left if she can stay up in there. I'm not gonna reveal her name to anybody, so that means like nobody, no Facebook friends or anything like that. I'm not revealing her name because I think that, not saying that people just gonna love her name. People may not like her name, but it may be some people that like it and want to take it. And I'm sure somebody has this name. Probably quite a few people had this name, but I've never known, met, or heard of anybody with this name. And this is going to be my second child, Kyrie's name. Everybody damn that baby. I didn't even know it was so many Kyries out there. And this steady Kyrie's coming. And I wish we would have named him something else. For real. Because my oldest son, his name is Kyan. Ain't too many Kyans out there. I really hate that everybody names their baby Kyrie. I really do. If I would have known, I would have told his daddy, let's think of something else. But, yeah. Guys, that's it for this video. And I think you know what, last video I didn't have any energy. So I guess I'm getting like some burst of energy out of nowhere. I know I said I've been tired, but today was a pretty good day other than that episode with my back when I got out the shower. But today was a good day. I feel pretty good right now. I'm not out of breath like I've been. So maybe baby girl has repositioned herself. Still kind of out of breath, but not like I've been. So I know you may see a difference between this video and the last video. Thank you guys for watching. This video longer than I wanted it to be. Damn. Thanks for watching.